few questions normally come. Registration mandatory or not mandatory? Answer is not mandatory. How to go about the witnesses part, executor part. As I said that the will takes into effect of your property alone. So let us be first clear that the property which becomes part of the will has to be your own self-acquired property. You can't will a thing which you don't own. Number two, you can will to your son, daughter, wife, whomsoever you want. You can give it to the trust or whomsoever you want. So there is no bar. Thirdly, you can't have two will for the same property because there will be a conflict. But presuming you have two will, one will is at one point of time and second will comes a later point of time. It's a later will which prevails. Only thing the issue normally arises is whether the second will is genuine or the first one is genuine. Fourthly, when you are executing a will, ensure that you are in a proper mental state, because after all this affects your whole estate, your own personal estate. It can be in the cash, it can be in the form locker, immobile, so many things. So you have to be in a proper mental state of mind. And normally what we do to ensure is that one of the witnesses is a doctor who normally certifies, who knows when the will is being executed, that the person was in a fit state of mind to execute a will. That means the will was executed voluntarily. If there is an element, 1% element of not being voluntary, then the will goes. Then it goes by the normal succession method. Your witnesses should preferably be young, not of your own age, because the whole purpose will get defeated if the witness unfortunately goes before you go. So it's better that the witnesses are young or middle age, they survive and this ensure that the will is implemented as per the desire of the testator. And the most important, crucial part is the signature part. I give you an example, my own example. My mother-in-law wanted to execute a will, so she was naturally pestering me. I created a will, I sent the will to her and I told her how to get it executed. Incidentally, I went to Jaipur. Hey, will तो तैयार है, वो तो मैंने भेजा ही था, वो तैयार ही है, साइन भी हो गई, बहुत अच्छा साइन हो गया, तो दिखाओ. So it has her signature and one witness. What about the second witness? आप हो ना, साइन कर दो. नहीं. Then we tore off the will completely. The first witness also landed up there. We rewrite everything, and then the person has to be there. The person who is creating the will, making a will, has to go through it in presence of the witnesses. It is absolutely mandatory, non-compromising. No compromise on this issue. She went through the will. She said, I know, making nothing like I know. You have to go through it. This is the last document now. So you have to go through the document item by item. If you want to ask any question, certainly you can ask, whatever it is. But at the end, you have to go through it and sign in presence of the witnesses. Thereafter, once she signs, a person signs, then the witnesses sign. And that is the most important ceremony, as I call it, of the will. If any link is broken, will goes. I give you another example where the will has gone bad, where I was one of the lawyers doing this matter. Lady has not created actually. Lady took a witness in the morning, said, you come with me, I want to execute a will. Fine enough. She went to a lawyer. The witness was standing outside the house. She went inside and brought a document. It was signed. There was signature there. Then she went for registration. At the time of registration, the person who accompanied her had not seen her signing the document.